Some people can't wrap their heads around the fact that Bitcoin's value will eventually be higher than the US national GDP. The internet is used globally. How much would the internet be worth if we assigned a US dollar value to it today? Bitcoin will be used around the world as a store of value. Why would its value be limited to a single country's GDP? Bitcoin will be worth more than all of the wealth that exists in the entire world today. Why? Because currently the wealth is spread out amongst hundreds or even thousands of assets. Since Bitcoin is the best money, it will absorb a lot of the monetary value of every other asset. The only value left in other goods services will be utility value and sentimental value. To make numbers very simple, there are something like 144 million houses in the US alone. Today, a house is worth 6 to 7 Bitcoin, and a house is $500. Just based on this alone, 1 Bitcoin should be worth 6 to 7 houses in the US, or 3.5 million USD. But this isn't how Bitcoin's price goes up. Bitcoin is different from other assets because you can't create more than the 21,000 supply limit. 19.6 million coins are already held by people who may never let go or won't let go until we reach much higher prices, because Bitcoin is undervalued right now. A lot of these coins are lost and will never be recovered. If we have a total supply of 17 million coins, how much will each one be worth? It's human nature to want whole numbers, e.g. owning 1 Bitcoin. Some of the wealthiest people in the world won't pay attention to this until it's millions of dollars. How much will they be willing to pay to own 1 Bitcoin? What will they be willing to sell to own fractions of Bitcoin? I think houses will eventually be worth 0.01 BTC. Cars will be 0.0005 BTC. A week of groceries will cost 0.011 BTC. Eventually, 1 BTC will be $100 million, meaning it has a 2.1 quadrillion plus market cap. Don't wait until the price is much higher to start paying attention. Once we reach certain levels, the price will never come back down again. At this point, Bitcoin will have the attention of a certain level of investor who will never sell, no matter how high the price goes.